What the hell? Hello, everyone. But we're gonna do my eyelashes. So first, we're gonna get my rusty old, it's not rusty, but crusty, musty, dusty eyelash killer, which doesn't really do anything because I have such small eyelashes. Not even eyelash curlers can fix it. Like, oh wait, can I did some bread anyway? It didn't really do much to blind me. But whatever. I'm gonna get my very old, very eyelash stuff. Right. I really want my I get tweezers and doom. I actually have stabbed myself in the eye multiple times with these, so I'm gonna be a bit careful. I look like a camel and big for me. Right, I am gonna let this like dry for a bit, so we'll have a little conversation. I need to put it down before I stab myself. Right. The eyebrow dye in part 1, it was horrifying. It's dyed my eyebrows. I look like a slug. I regret every moment of it. I will be going in the bath tonight and I will be drowning myself under the water so I can get this off. Right, anyway, we're going to go on to 14, if I can get this off. And you get it at the very top and you just put it underneath. It's still quite long, but it's not too long. I'm going to put another one of that exact size on. Then that leaves on that. I'm going to go down and I'm going to get the second 14, which is just a little bit smaller and more flat, so it's going to kind of blend them together. That's a lie. That's a lie. That did nothing. Right, we're going to not use that, and so we're going to go on to 12, which I don't know if I'm even going to be able to get that. But this one's more flat. I'm going to get this one. Oh, and it's a bit longer, so it'll blend better. My eyeball! I really do not like putting eyelashes on. Ooh, I kind of like these. Then we're going to go for the smallest one, which is either that one or that one. You can see the ones that I've used. That was the 2 on the edge. I'm eating it. Right, that one was done there. And I'm going to use one of these 2. I'll tell you which one I decide. I'm going to try the top one, the bottom one I should say, because it looks a bit smaller. So if you can't tell, I'm struggling. I can't get the glue on properly. I've got it to a stage where it might be able to cover. I don't have any inner lashes because when I get nervous and stuff, I usually like pick them. Right. We've got one eyelash done. I will crimp them down, but not right now. I'm going to do this eyeball, then I'll crimp them ones, then I'll wait a little bit, and then I'll do these ones, so I'll be back. So you got the end. If you can't tell, the eyebrows have got worse, but I've got the eyelashes to a stage where I can tolerate them. They're not my favourite lashes, I will say that. They're definitely a bit... I think if I fix that bit where like one of them's kind of lifted, it'll be fine. But I'm just gonna complete this. Oh god, I am messing up my room right now. So if I get a spoolie, I love spoolie. I need to stop doing that. Wait, I'm gonna get the spoolie because the spoolie is one of my new ones. I'm just gonna see. It doesn't look any better. Right, we'll get the other one. Yeah, girl. It did nothing. This really did nothing. Right, we're gonna get the seal bit, which is, oh my god. So I have like literally eyelashes inside of there. This one looks clean though. I'm just gonna go under the, kind of brush it through a bit. Fluff that had, like, got stuck in my eye. That really hurt. Right, so I don't know if I like these lashes or not. I mean, I don't know what to expect. They are from SHIEN, but they are quite nice. They don't really come off very easily like my other eyelashes. And I'll put them on the screen over here. So I'm definitely done for today. I mean, I need to edit 3 videos, a pomade video, part 1 of this, and part 2, so this video. I'm dead. My dad is coming downstairs. Right, love you. Bye.